Just a quick session to show you how our IP restriction works with the new scheduler and how you can set up IP restrictions for each shift or schedule that you assign to a user. Like we've been seeing in the last couple of videos, we have these shifts that have been assigned. And there are two ways to do this. You can either have a shift which is already created, and then you can use the same shift and then assign that to users. You can do this in the shifts settings, which I will show you in a minute. Otherwise, if the shift has already been scheduled, all you need to do is go ahead, click on edit for that shift, and we have these IP rules. Now, IP rules, the way it works is you can have these IP rule groups, and for each rule you can have multiple IPs. So for example, if you have a warehouse and you want your users to only clock in and clock out from the warehouse locations, you can set up the IP addresses for all your locations, and they will be allowed to only clock in and out from that location. At any given point of time, you can assign one IP rule, and this rule is a group of IPs to a shift. So that way you can easily manage all your shifts. Once done and it's updated against the shift, I can show you how this works as well. So if I click on the shift, and this is what your users are going to be seeing, if I try to clock in, it simply throws an error that says that the IP address does not match. And this is the way that it works. If you would like to manage your shift templates, then like I mentioned before, you can save them. And the way you do that is you can use the universal search to go to our shift settings, and under each, you can create any number of shifts over here. And when you try to add a shift, it asks you for the IP address details, and you can create them over here as well. And this is the way the IP restrictions work for clocking in and out. My name is Basil. I'm the founder with ClockIt, and we help companies do payroll in 5 minutes.